Do you want to know where you can access your Otter AI FAQs? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the FAQs in Otter AI. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now go ahead and click on your profile and you can see Help Center. Click on Help Center and you can see that there are a lot of FAQs over here. You can go ahead and click on these options over here and you can see the general FAQs provided by Otter AI. Click on the link and you can see a very much descriptive answer to your question, and this article will be helpful. So you can click follow and then you can follow this article as well. So let me show it to you once again, guys. What you need to do is click on your profile and then click on Help Center. Scroll down and you can see that there are a lot of featured articles and FAQs. So go ahead and click on the link, scroll down, and you can find a lot of questions and the answers to your problems. This way, your problems might be solved easily. I hope this video about how you can access FAQs in Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.